everyone, and for those who are my regular viewers, welcome back, and those who have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe as you are going to have really informative videos on this channel. Well, today I am going to share a milkshake recipe that is really nutritious and that is really gonna keep you energized, and it makes you feel full for so many hours that you don't crave other things. The reason to share this recipe is that I have been using this milkshake for years now, and trust me that it's really beneficial for your health, for your skin, for your hair. Another thing is that I believe that no matter how many expensive beauty creams you are using, or hair masks or hair products you are having in your beauty cupboard, or no matter how many things that we share on the YouTube that are applied on your face and for your hair, but if you are not eating healthy and if you are not taking all the necessary nutrients that are essential for your hair growth, for your hair texture, for your skin texture, and for your skin health, then no matter how many beauty products, how expensive you go, it doesn't matter. I think that first you have to eat healthy, and after that you add other things in your beauty regime. So first thing is that you have to eat healthy, and after that you get the results of other beauty regimes that you follow. And the misconceptions about the milkshakes, that are, people think that the fresh fruit milkshakes make you fat, like if there is a banana or the dates or any other fruits in the milk, then it's gonna make you fat. Excuse me, how about the processed potato chips bag? How about the chocolate bars? How about the fritters and samosas and other things, the heavy fried things that you eat? And how about sitting for long hours in front of your TV or in front of your computer? And how about not doing any of the physical activity? All these things make you put on weight, and not the milkshakes or adding the banana or the dates or other things along with the milk in your diet. So please rest assured that this shake is not gonna affect your weight, but it's really gonna give good effect on your hair and on your skin. Now, the tip number 2. The other tip is that if you want to make really smooth and blended smoothies and milkshakes, please spend on your blenders and mixers. The thing is that it really makes a difference to your end product. And now you would be thinking that that's going really expensive. Then again, excuse me, can you make one less stress of all the high brands that you pick? Invest on the thing that really affects on your look, like your hair, like your skin, like your overall health. That is more important. Because if you are not healthy, if you are not looking real healthy in your hair, in your skin, and if you don't have that freshness, nothing will look good on you. And if you are really healthy from inside out, everything would look good and everything is beautiful. So please invest on the things that really impact on your life. The end of the discussion, and we are going to make the milkshake. Trust me that this milkshake is super nutritious, and especially for the ladies who work all day, like the housewives and the working ladies. It's a really good addition to your diet that will fulfill all your nutritious needs. You can use it after the 3-4 hours of your breakfast, or you can put it in your beaker and take to your workplace, and trust me that you're gonna feel really energized after using it, and you're gonna feel really full for so long hours. I am putting in 1 banana and this big slice of a rock melon or melon. Well, I am using all the fruits that are easily available all around the world. You can add any of the fruit that complements really well with the milk. I am using the ingredients that are easily available just because that you don't have any excuse left not to use this. So I am using rock melon that is easily affordable and easily available. You can add blueberries. Even I tried that with the pear. It really goes well with the milk and banana. The banana is the main thing. You can add in whatever fruits that are seasonal in your country, or whatever the fruits that you like to blend in together. 3 normal sized dates, and now I am putting in the rolled oats. Again, very easily available. What I did with the oats is this. That I just roasted them on a frying pan, or just roast them in the oven for about a minute. Just then you start smelling the specific beautiful aroma of the oats. That's it. So I am adding 2 full tablespoons of oats. For that I need almond wholemeal. Well, in some part of the world the almond meal is not easily available. For those, I suggest you that just take the almonds, a good quantity, and roast them on the frying pan and then grind them in the powder form. So this is your almond meal. So I am using this almond meal that I already have. Take a full tablespoon of almond meal in that. Well, this is a regular milk. I am not asking you to add skimmed milk, or just add whatever milk you use. I am not specifying any of the milk. Just use whatever milk you use at home, because if it's available, it's good. Because if it's available, it's fresh, it's good. So just go for that. Don't go in the complexities that you need skim milk or you need low fat milk or anything. Glass of milk. So after that, what you need is, like, if you want, and after that, if you want to add flavor, like you like chocolate, then you can add unsweetened cocoa powder. The sweetness that is coming in this milkshake is from the banana, from the melon, and from the dates. So there is no added sugar. And if you want to add the cocoa powder, just add half a teaspoon of cocoa powder if you are making 1 serving. I am going to blend this. Ta-da! This is the whole meal protein packed milkshake. Well, this decoration and straw is all shashka. Like, come on, we don't do it daily. It's just for this video. And the serving size as well, because this makes a good 500 ml of the milkshake. That's why I said that it's really a good quantity to intake all the fruit servings that you need a day, and this is a really good quantity to make you feel full for long hours and energized. So this was my recipe for a whole meal protein packed milkshake. You don't have any excuse not to use this, because all the ingredients are so easily available. All the ingredients are fully packed with all the nutritions that you need for your skin, for your hair, and for your overall well-being. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And bye. I'm going to enjoy this milkshake.